Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Darth Zannah figure. This was requested by an account called James about a year ago, and I really didn't want to leave him hanging, so here it is. The legs I used came from this Clone Wars Anakin Skywalker. The body came from a Revenge of the Sith Anakin. I decided to go with two capes for a bit of added depth, so I used the small one from Reva and the larger one from Luke Skywalker. I used the head from this Resistance A-Wing pilot, but I think there would be more appropriate heads, such as the Sith Rey head. The last figure I used was the Attack of the Clones Obi-Wan Kenobi minifigure, and I took the hair. That leaves us with a figure that looks something like this. I'll give you a moment or two to observe. To be completely honest, this is a character I hadn't heard of until I got the request to make one, so I used this reference image which you saw at the beginning of this video, and I think it's okay, but there's probably a lot more that could be done. I will address the elephant in the room, and yes, I know I haven't made a video in about a year. I think I kind of just lost the motivation for it and life got busy. But I might do a few more, depending on how I feel, but just keep that in mind if I suddenly stop uploading. I would still encourage you to maybe subscribe and check out the older stuff. It doesn't guarantee any new stuff, but it may help other people in the community find some tutorials.